When you're investing for the long haul, retirement, major life goals decades away, the platform you pick matters. It's not just about how many trades you make or the flashiest app. It's about cost, investment choices, stability, and how well the platform supports a buy and hold strategy. Today, we'll compare Fidelity and Vanguard. Both are heavyweights in the investment world. Both offer strong value, but they each bring a slightly different flavor. Now let's look at Fidelity. Fidelity offers very strong service across the board, from beginner investors to more active players. It supports a wide selection of investment options, robust tools, mobile and web platforms with strong user experience, and competitive fees. For long-term investing, it also shines. Many funds with zero or extremely low expense ratios, flexible account types, and excellent research and resources. Fidelity. The trade-off is that while it supports the long term, it also supports a broader range of investor styles, meaning you might face more decisions and more complexity if you let yourself get drawn into trading. But if you value a strong platform that can grow with your investing style, Fidelity offers that. Let's start with Vanguard. Vanguard is famously built around the philosophy of low-cost, long-term, passive investing. Its model pioneered the index fund approach, and it offers some of the lowest expense ratios in the industry. White coat investor. If your goal is to pick a fund, invest consistently, and mostly let time do the work, Vanguard aligns closely with that aim. Its focus is on simplicity, low cost, and staying the course rather than active trading. One of its downsides, the platform is less geared for high-frequency trading or advanced technical tools. The strength here is that over decades, lower costs and fewer moves tend to favor investors who set a plan and stick to it. So which platform is the best for your long-term investing? If you are laser-focused on minimizing costs, picking funds, setting an automated contribution plan, and staying mostly hands-off for decades, Vanguard may be the more aligned choice. Its culture and product lineup leans strongly toward long-term buy and hold. On the other hand, if you want a platform that gives you low cost, plus flexibility, plus excellent tools, and you think you might evolve your investing style over time, e.g., adjusting allocations, exploring different funds, maybe dabbling in more advanced features, then Fidelity could be the better fit. Either way, both platforms are excellent and you're in good hands. The best for you comes down to how you plan to invest, how hands-on you want to be, and how much you care about platform features versus cost focus. Good luck with your investing journey.